Hello and welcome to the Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to turn on Do Not Disturb function on our HUAWEI P60 Pro phone. To enable our DND option, we have to go to the settings. Next, we have to scroll down to sound and vibration. And Do Not Disturb option is hidden here. To enable it, we have to tap this little checkbox here, and now our DND option is enabled, as we can see here, this little half moon. To turn it off, tap it back again, and our DND will be turned off as by default. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.